Welcome to a unique episode of Ballistic High Speed. By now, I think you've all probably seen our bowling ball cannon through the torso video. Well over 10 million views. Today, I think we're gonna step it up.
We're here with Nick and Nick. They are also doing some work out here. And where here is drive tanks. Big shout out to these guys. They are helping us out with the range and getting all of these aimed up. And speaking of aimed up, what is currently aimed at our future victims?
This doesn't look like a bowling ball cannon.
So this is our German Pak 40. It is actually the last Pak 40 that still fires in the world.
Oh.
And right now,
That's pretty cool.
We are about to make that ballistic dummy mincemeat.
Mincemeat.
Wonderful.
I like it.
You're doing a historical breakdown on Sherman stuff.
Yep.
You're just shooting stuff.
Yeah, I'm just here to watch some tanks blow up some stuff.
We're mostly just shooting stuff,
Yeah,
if we're being honest.
Yeah.
All right, well, here comes an upscaled bowling ball cannon at a torso.
Welcome back to Ballistic High Speed, you sexy YouTube mother lovers. Today, we've got a torso set up here, staring right down the barrel of our Pak 40. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with it.
See, this feels out of place because I don't think you typically have very good slow motion on your channel. So let me just take that from you.
Hey, you're the one who did half of it.
3 collabs together, I believe it was, and welcome to our channel.
Yeah, finally get to be on your channel for a
We just
Yeah.
had to, do the legwork again and come down to Texas again. And
Yeah,
I
exactly.
love how
We
he
still
just
love
gets
you.
roasted every time.
I think you guys like me.
It's a pretty simple setup. We did the bowling ball cannon, direct hit to a torso. We're just scaling it up.
Videos like this have existed on the internet before. Little shout out to Grand Thumb. We've seen his video, of course. We want to get ultra high speed. And so we're going to watch the guts spill out the backside, get the front shots too. So we're going to try to make this as grand as it can be so that nobody else has to do this ever again. All right, let's go load it up. See what happens.
Let's do it.
All right, everybody good?
High speed ready.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Holy. Oh. That's what I've been looking for this whole trip.
That was like an atomic bomb just went off.
Oh, it got him by
He
surprise.
wasn't even ready.
Come look at this. This is great. He wasn't ready. Watch your boy about to get started.
That's awesome.
Sorry, what'd you say?
I felt that one.
I feel like I just got hit by a car.
That literally felt like somebody just went.
Dude.
Whoo! That was concussive.
You all right?
That looks like more than the bowling ball. What do you think?
Just a little bit. Yeah. I haven't seen too many diagonal splits like that.
Yeah, me
Did
neither.
that fall right there?
Yeah, it was chilling right there. I was assuming that the head was gonna pop off and do some rocket ship.
It spun him around.
Did it? Oh, yeah.
That's his belly, his spine's over there. It spun
Oh,
him
it
around.
rotated him.
And he's not
fuck.
even on a post either.
Get rotated. Idiot.
Rotated, nerd.
Well, let's go see what it did.
Hoping I triggered it. Oh, it's so good. It's so good.
All right.
Okay, this is only 3,000 frames per second, but it's very juicy. Here we go. The head did go up.
That's a big hole.
Was that thing keyholing?
Yeah, you can see the nose of the round divert
Okay.
it down immediately.
It was already kind of starting to divert.
Just a little bit. There's so much blood. So now we can go watch the spine come out the backside if you want.
Hell
yeah.
Okay, let's go do
Back
that.
shots are always better.
So if you watch the edge of his body right there, it illuminates from the flash right there.
You can see the concussion wave cutting through the air.
Mock cone, yep.
Jesus.
The spine didn't get pulled out, it just got eviscerated. It just turned him into a jelly-filled donut.
It jumps up and flips around.
Yeah. Oh, he on X Games mode.
I mean, that did one up the bowling ball cannon, but we're at drive tanks, and that's technically not a tank.
It is like half the name here.
That's an anti-tank, isn't it? We need a tank.
I believe so.
Let's see what they have in stock.
I saw it. They have a tank.
If you didn't know, we are on Pepperbox now, which means all of the exclusive, extended, behind-the-scenes stuff shows you how we make our decisions for what tanks we choose and which cameras we choose and how we set that up, all over in Pepperbox, super exclusive.
Loads of content over there too with all of your other favorite gun tubers. It exists nowhere else, not even on your Patreons or anything. Pepperbox only. There's a link in the description below so you can see all of the behind-the-scenes goodness.
Yes, sir. Let's go shoot some tanks.
Let's go shoot some tanks.
Okay. All right, we just got a delicious torso shot from that Pack 40, and now it looks like we got a little bit of a different gun going on here.
Yes, so we're gonna be using an M41 Bulldog tank. This would have saw service in Vietnam.
Yep.
So that's the tank, but what is the projectile? Because that's what we're more focused on here.
So the projectile is a 17-pound hunk of steel that's going to be flying out of that barrel, roughly 3,000, 3,200 feet per second.
So that's like 50 cal speed, but way fatter.
Yeah.
Do you know the kinetic energy?
I don't. I know it'll wreck whatever it hits, though.
Well, with those two data points, you should be able to map it.
Speaking of whatever it's gonna wreck,
yeah,
we're gonna step it to just a lovely, delicious headshot here. You guys feel confident with your aim? You can nail this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we got
Okay.
this.
So, of course, Ballistic Dummy Labs sent out a beautiful bus. Well, it's beautiful for now.
For a moment.
For a moment. Are you ready to load it up and pop this thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
I'll be impressed if you can get a no shot.
Oh, yeah. I think we can do it.
All right,
Yeah?
awesome. Let's go load it up.
Cool.
See if the Wily X's survive.
Grab it in two hands, put some body weight into it. This one you got to pull really hard, and trust me, you'll know when it goes off, all right?
Okay.
You'll know when it goes off, he says.
Everybody good?
High speed ready?
High speed's ready!
All right, Nick's about to give this a high velocity facelift in 3, 2, 1.
Holy!
I think you got him.
That thing went everywhere!
Holy crap.
That's probably a good thing we moved your van.
That was so energetic.
All right.
Okay, that one's saving.
Saved?
Safe.
Good deal. All right.
Are we watching?
Yep.
Get over here. Over here.
That was a perfect shot.
That was a no
That
shot.
was a nose shot.
Watched it crunch his nose in.
Damn. That couldn't have gone any better.
It separated the brain from the rest of the head.
And the business, I believe we call that the money shot. I can't wait to see this on a shitload of shitty gun memes.
Yeah, all over.
Okay.
Great shot, Bryce.
Thank you guys so much for coming to my third channel, Ballistic High Speed. I was
All
joined today by
right.
Bryce, Adam, Nick, and other Nick.
You just wanted to take over once we hit 1 million, right?
Exactly, it's exactly what I'm gonna do with Demolition Ranch.
Love it. Thanks so much for watching. This has been a lot of fun. Drive Tanks. If you want to have a really cool bachelor party, head over there. Shoot any of the stuff behind us. They got stuff that way too. Fat Electrician, he's doing really cool historical breakdowns on Sherman tanks. And Pew View, he had a lot more guns in his episode. We had the 20mm out for him. Got some really delicious headshots over there, so go over and head to his channel. And we have Pepperbox exclusive. Head over there if you want to get an in-depth behind the scenes on how we set up phantom cameras, how we capture this kind of really energetic material.
All these guys are on there too.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah. Lots of exclusive content over there. I think that's about it until we find a bigger tank.
Oh, you have nothing to destroy.
I volunteer.
Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.